A developing story tonight. Attorneys for Daisha Chambers say an expert will testify saying she's insane. Police say Chambers drove into the crowd at OSU's homecoming parade last October, killing the 4 people you see on your screen right now and injuring more than 50 others. New at 6, Fox 23's Tiffany Alaniz is live in Stillwater with what the defense says about Chambers' mental health.
Shay, her attorney, says the day of the crash on the OSU homecoming parade, Daisha Chambers was suffering a psychotic episode. And they say that wasn't the first time. They say that in May of 2012, Daisha was admitted to the Wagner Community Hospital for a psychotic episode. Her attorney says Daisha was diagnosed then with psychotic disorder. The defense will use a psychologist who has testified in lots of high-profile cases during Daisha's trial. But the district attorney says they haven't received that doctor's report, and they want it.
His expert's report is relevant for any expert we may have to review and determine if there were errors in it. Does he disagree with the testing proceedings, all types of things.
The state will use their own expert to evaluate Daisha before the trial in January. Another big issue today, the defense doesn't want statements Daisha made to law enforcement right after the crash used at trial. I read through the documents. An officer asked Daisha what happened to cause the crash. She said she wanted to be relieved of her sins and wanted to die. Now, the defense also filed this motion today asking that the victims and their families not show any emotion in court during the trial. Some of those victims and their families were here today. They didn't want to talk on camera, obviously very emotional. For some of them, it was the first time they had seen Daisha Chambers in person. The judge set another hearing for 2 weeks from today, October the 19th. Of course, we will be here and we'll let you know what happens. Reporting live in Stillwater, covering news that matters. I'm Tiffany Alaniz, Fox 23 News.